Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today's video I will be using this Africa Pride Mega Magical Grow Rejuvenating Herbal Formula. So this is the product I'll be using today. So I just wash my hair. That's why I cover my hair with a plastic cap, because I don't want it to be too dry, because if I wash my hair without putting anything in it, for sometimes it's going to be so dry. So to avoid that, that's why I cover my hair with that plastic cap that you just saw. So to my returning subscriber, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So this is the product that I am talking about, guys. So this is my first time of using Africa Pride hair grease. I've used their moisturizer before and it's really good, so I decided to just try out their grease to see how it's going to be. Like, as you can see, it's not that thin consistency. It's just perfect consistency for any kind of hair that you have, whether natural or relaxed or any type of hair. The scent is so amazing, guys. So I love the scent of this product. It's so amazing. It smells so nice, and it's also good for hair growth as well. The smell is really good, and it gives a good amount of moisture without clogging the follicles or weigh down your hair, as long as you did not use too much of this product. So now I'm just going to apply my first of all, I'm going to apply my moisturizer first, then I will apply the grease to my hair. So like I was saying, to my returning subscriber, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really do appreciate you all. So if you are just here for the first time, please subscribe. Welcome. Subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you will not miss out any of my new video. So if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate you guys. So I'm just going to put on my scalp, then I will just put it on my edges. So before, I will just apply apply water. So I will apply water first, then I will just put my moisturizer. Guys, that video is on my channel already. Just in case you have not seen it, I will link it at the description box below. Just go and check it out. You are going to really like it. There is a good ingredients that I used to make it, like natural good ingredients that can really contribute to your hair growth and as well moisturize your hair. So now I'm just going to take the grease. I did not really take too much, like I said before, so I'm not going to be using too much. I'm just going to be using a little bit. So guys, this product have a lot of ingredients that a lot, like castor oil, like safflower oil, like guys, a lot of ingredients like shea butter, like what again, a lot, like aloe vera. They have a lot of ingredients. So this hair is made with herbal ingredients, so there are lots of herbal ingredients in it that can really contribute to your hair. If you can see it very well, you can see some pieces of herbs inside this hair grease. That means there is really herbs inside. They have nettle leaf, a lot of leaf that can, they have rosemary. So they have rosemary, a lot of herbal products that can really contribute to hair growth. So magical herbal formula, our African recipe promotes strong, healthy, shiny hair. African herbs create a problem-free scalp, help stop breakage and split ends, which is really good to contribute to hair growth. So it can be hard to grow your hair when it has been damaged. So they say that it can be hard to grow your hair when it have been damaged by relaxing, coloring, or just heat styling. If you have that kind of problem, you should try this product out. So Africa Prime Mega Growth Rejuvenating Herbal Formula, strengthening hair and soothing scalp. So if you guys have not tried, maybe you have tried the old one before, this is the new formula, guys. So discover all our new improved hair growth miracle formula. Natural Africa herbs help create a problem-free healthy scalp, help stop breakage, split end and dry hair, rejuvenate, relax, color treated or natural hair. So guys, they have improved their ingredients. They have add more ingredients to this, and they are also telling you that if you have not tried this their new product, this their new formula, so you should go and try it out, because as they said, it's really good for hair growth. So I will continue using it. Maybe on my next video I'm going to mix it, guys. You guys know how I love to mix everything mixable. So I will be mixing this hair grease for you guys to see. So if you have not tried this product before, or you have tried their old one before, just go and check out this new look, because they have improved in their ingredients. They have added more powerful ingredients to the hair grease that can really help you to promote hair growth. They have petroleum jelly, they have mineral oil, and they have nettle leaf, they have shea butter, they have rosemary, they have guys, they have many things. Oh, now the one with me fit call her they call. So they have white curry leaf, what they say. They have castor oil, they have olive oil, they have safflower oil, they have many things. They have coconut oil in here. So they have jojoba seed. This is a very good product for you guys to try. Then this is just how I'm going to be using it. I'll just use it on my scalp. I will apply my what they call it, my leave-in moisturizer. Then I will just apply the grease on top of it. So they say you should not use too much. Use on your hair and your scalp, and you can use it anytime you want, as much as you want to use it. You can use it every day, you can use it 2 times a week, 3 times a week, but they did not really say this is how you should use it, but they said you should use it as much as you can. So guys, this is I just decided to come and show you this product. I don't know, maybe you guys have used the old one before. Then you have to try this new look, because they have improved in their ingredients, which is really good. I love people that love to improve. Okay, yes, we all need to improve. So I'm just going to continue to just apply the product on my hair. Just maybe next time I'm going to show you how I will be mixing this product, because I have other products in mind that I want to mix this product with, that I know they are going to really work on our hair. So if you want to see that, all you have to do is just subscribe, turn on your post notification, yeah, so that you will not miss out. That video is coming very soon. And I also have a lot of new hair grease that I have not tried for you guys before, so just subscribe so that you will not miss that. We are going back to base, guys. We are going back to where it all started. Grease, because grease is the answer for your hair growth. It really help a lot for your hair growth, because they have a lot of good ingredients that can promote your hair growth. No harsh chemical at all that can really damage your hair, because they want your hair to be in good condition, to help your hair to retain moisture and length. Then you have to try grease on your hair. So if you have not started using it on your hair, just try use it on your hair, and your hair is going to thank you for using grease on your hair. So guys, that is the last one that I will be doing on camera. The rest of my hair is going to be off camera, because I don't want this video to be too long. Then when I'm done, I will be back to tell you guys the remaining benefits of this product. So guys, I am done applying this product to my hair. As you can see, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. This side is a little bit bigger than the other side because I am tired. So I just have to hurry up, then just hurry up and do everything. So now I'm just going to apply it to my edges. So if you have a very long hair and your edges is bad and your edges is not growing, like it's not in good condition, guys, I know it's not going to be a good thing. So when you are trying to take care of your hair, also try to take care of your hairline because it's very, very important. Again, many people have long hair and they don't have edges done, they don't really feel good about it. So just try to also give what you give to your hair and also give it to your hairline as well. So that is how I always treat my hairline. I show you guys when I use like water, like herbal water or anything, I also spray it on my hair. Like if I don't use any water, I just use the grease alone. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye bye, stay safe, ciao ciao, ciao.